Hey, so glad you joined me for this video today. Our topic is how to create a ebook step by step. I'm so glad I can shoot this video really quick to help you guys out. I'm a classroom teacher, course creator, and exit coach for teachers and career professionals who want to get paid for their knowledge and not their time, because you will always get paid more for your experience escaping that time for money trap. Believe me, I've been there and I've done that. Okay, so when it comes to creating an ebook, it is your signature digital product to your community or audience understanding who you are and what you do. So I love ebooks. Ebooks are a quick read. They're a easy transfer of information because you can create that ebook as a digital product that can be shared digitally, so you don't have to print anything, and it can give a very succinct, informative background to who you are and what you do, besides your video content. But I always recommend digital products such as ebooks to have in your digital library. It's an absolute must. So thank you for joining me in this video. And I'm just going to tell you real quick, you can, of course, find ebook templates everywhere, pretty much. If you Google it, or you can pretty much start it on your own, open up a Word document. But what you want to do is make it easy on the eyes, and also aesthetically creative by using some type of template with a cover, making it look like either, magazine, a guide, or a book. So just because you have the information, you still want to present it so that your reader will be interested and their interest will be piqued. So that includes having a attention-getting title, a brief subtitle maybe that tells them, the quick steps or the how-tos that you're going to solve. And even if you want to do a description on the front, that's up to you. It does, but definitely a eye-catching title and some type of subtitle to let them know like what it's going to be about. That maybe it's the last ebook they'll ever need for your industry, whatever you want to do. Okay. Then on the inside, you definitely want to do an about me. I'll link how I create an about me that I use in every ebook, pretty much. Just my background, a background bio story, and you can change the pictures out, but it's basically, who you are and how long you've been in your industry or whatever that it is that you do. Really fascinating to all readers. And then the back page, I always do another picture, a congratulations text, or description paragraph to congratulate them on finishing the book and what are their next steps, because you definitely want them to go on to your next step or your next opportunity. Okay, so the inside of the ebook, depending on the focus of your ebook, will vary. So a step-by-step description of an ebook is going to be right now very general, but you definitely want to have this is how I set it up. Basically, what are the 3 problems and or misconceptions or lies, pretty much why you're creating the ebook in the first place, right? Now, if you're doing a business evolution ebook, like what you did to get started, things like that, that's a different focus. But let's say you have a content area, you definitely want to highlight either secrets or misunderstandings or misconceptions or lies or secrets, and then that are maybe untrue or whatever. Then you want to give your method solution to this problem, and definitely highlight, why you are the one to go to for said transformation, whatever it is that you do, okay, in the industry. And that way your audience will definitely get a contrast. And that's the purpose, is to create a contrast between you and the rest of your industry, what sets you apart, okay, as a provider, service provider, whatever it is that you do, okay? So that's a quick rundown of the tonality of an ebook and your maybe your stance or your slant. Try to definitely set yourself apart from the rest of the industry that you're in, and highlight your your strengths and how you bring something fresh and new to the table. All right, so thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you next time.